Hi guys! Today we will discuss the top 20 hidden secrets and features of macOS Ventura. We'll also talk about why macOS Ventura is more perfect than Sonoma, Big Sur, and macOS Monterey. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share this video. So let's discuss the first hidden secret of macOS Ventura, which is Stage Manager. Stage Manager organizes your apps and windows into view. The second feature is Metal 3, which takes advantage of the latest graphics processing capabilities. Live activities, stay updated on tasks and activities in real time. Dock, personalize your dock with favorite apps and layouts. Improve multitasking, work with multiple apps simultaneously. Enhanced privacy, controlled data access and permission for apps. Advanced security, protect your Mac with enhanced security features. Live captions, automatically generate captions for audio and video content. Smart folders, organize files based on specific criteria and tags. Enhanced spotlight, quickly search for files, apps, and information. Improve Siri, get more accurate and helpful responses from Siri. Customizable notifications, control how notifications appear and behave. Enhanced accessibility, take advantage of features like voice control and live captions. New wallpapers, choose from a variety of new wallpapers and colors. Improve performance, experience faster performance and responsiveness. Enhanced gaming, take advantage of Metal 3 and other gaming features. Better compatibility, run a wide range of apps including iOS apps. Enhanced external display support, connect to external displays with ease. Improved AirPlay, share content wirelessly with improved AirPlay capabilities. Enhanced dictation, get more accurate dictation results. So friends, let's now discuss why Ventura is perfect compared to others. I'm going to share with you 10 reasons, so let's dive in. First, improved performance. Ventura offers faster performance and responsiveness, making it a snappier and more efficient operating system. Second, enhanced security. Ventura introduces advanced security features such as improved data protection and enhanced malware detection to keep your Mac and data safer. Better multitasking. Ventura's Stage Manager and improved multitasking features allow for a more organized and efficient workflow. Enhanced accessibility. Ventura includes features like live captions, voice control, and improved dictation, making it more accessible for users with disabilities. Improved compatibility. Ventura offers better compatibility with a wide range of apps, including iOS apps, and supports the latest hardware technologies. Enhanced gaming. Ventura's Metal 3 and other gaming features provide a better gaming experience, making it a great choice for gamers. Streamlined user interface. Ventura's user interface is more intuitive and streamlined, making it easier to navigate and use. Improved spotlight. Ventura's enhanced spotlight search offers more accurate and relevant results, making it easier to find what you need. Enhanced privacy. Ventura provides more granular control over data access and permission for apps, giving users more privacy and security. Latest technologies. Ventura supports the latest technologies such as USB 4 and Wi-Fi 6E, making it a great choice for those who want to take advantage of the latest advancements. So see you in the next video. Take care and thanks for watching.